YouTube sensation Apsyn Ovard shocked her fans after revealing she was divorcing her husband of 8 years the same day she announced she'd given birth to their third child, and the drama doesn't end there. Apsyn first rose to fame via YouTube back in 2011, and over the years has shared an inside look at her life living in Salt Lake City and her marriage at age 20 to Parker Ferris. The star has remained tight-lipped in regards to the details of her divorce, sharing this TikTok to explain why.
You see how I don't talk about my divorce online? Very demure, very mindful. You see how I considered my children and how it would affect them to have their family's personal information shared all over the internet? Very smart, very good mom.
The star also spoke candidly whilst on the Weekly Trash podcast, where she shed light on why she wouldn't ever get married again.
You just never know what life is going to throw at you, and so I think to make like those vows and stuff, and like I don't feel like I can really commit to that. I would have like a partner, like a long-term partner if I met someone, but to get legally married, I wouldn't ever do again.
Apsyn has also since taken to TikTok to share more on the divorce, noting that she didn't believe Parker had been unfaithful, but she did think there was some level of betrayal.
I don't think I've ever been cheated on. To my knowledge, I never have.
These are people that I thought cared about me, even if they felt like, oh, like it's not my business. It should have been. If I was in this situation, I feel like it should have been like, you need to tell her, and if you don't, then I will.
But with Apsyn still keeping the vital details of the divorce secret, many fans couldn't help but wonder what she was alluding to, with one fan suggesting she signed an NDA. Since the pair separated, Apsyn has insisted they remain close as they continue to co-parent their 3 children. But the same can't be said for her relationship with Parker's mother, her soon-to-be ex-mother-in-law. It was pointed out by fans that Parker's mum uploaded an Instagram story in response to one of Aspyn's TikToks of an AI bear titled "Mama Bear is coming out, stay tuned," with a poll asking the fans if they would like to hear another side of the story. Apsyn even replied to a fan comment that read, "Okay, but the mother-in-law's Instagram story had me shook," to which Apsyn replied, "Honestly, same." And the drama doesn't end there, as Apsyn captioned a video, "She might be a mama bear, but I am mother." In a later video, Apsyn addressed the controversy and the worries she had for when her children were old enough to watch back the content she'd made about their grandmother.
I know that when my girls grow up, and if they see any of these videos, they're gonna be like, Mom, you were an icon. Mom, you slayed. Mom, you ate grandma up with that one post.
Apsyn has been open about the divorce to her followers, but has vowed to protect her peace and spare some details in order to protect her 3 daughters.
I feel like it's really important for my kids to like not grow up and see things like that online. So I have chosen to not speak directly about things like that. So when I say that I don't talk about it, that's what I'm meaning.
However, Apsyn has shared TikToks addressing her split, including a since-deleted post where she outlined values she seeks in a future relationship, including honesty, financial contribution, and emotional stability.
First one is someone who doesn't lie. Second one, I would love someone who has a job. I think that would be like really nice. They didn't accuse me of cheating on them all the time.
With fans suggesting that her ex-husband did not provide these for her and speculating about the cause of the split. One commented, "Gaslighting, not being a supportive partner financially, and accusing her of cheating. He cheated. Textbook behavior of a cheater." Whilst another commented, "He could have cheated or surmounted a ton of debt through gambling, or who knows." Another said, "Oh, he is 100% secretly gay and she found out." Although Apsyn was quick to shut down the speculation in a TikTok video, leaving fans even more bewildered.
I would never ever talk about someone else's sexuality on the internet.
Apsyn has massively embraced her divorce era, and there seems to be some beef with her ex's family in response to a TikTok she made about finding out information she didn't know before.
The other day when I was feeling very cutesy and very demure, I didn't know what I know now. You know who did? Everybody else. Everybody else knew the whole time.
One fan commented, "What did everyone else know?" To which another replied, "I'm assuming she means Parker's family knew he was lying to her about something, and they all kept his secrets." And Apsyn seemed to confirm this by liking the comment. Despite their separation, Ovard and Ferris continue to co-parent their 3 children, and he is often seen in her TikToks, to the confusion of her followers. Apsyn has also posted openly about her sexuality since her divorce, including her 2024 dating history, which included seeing a woman and many other hints to being bisexual.
The time I hung out with a girl 7 days in a row, that was fun.
Do you feel like you knew when we were married that I would like girls?
I think that there were definitely signs.
So many people struggle so much with their sexuality. I have always been told I can love whoever I want and be whoever I want, and so I've always known that. At this point in my life, I'm not confused about my sexuality.
It's safe to say that Apsyn has certainly entered and is embracing her single era, and we'll be sure to update you as the drama unfolds.